Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make garlic cheese spread in the pan. To the pan, add oil. Let it heat it up. Now add 20 garlic cloves. Fry them for 5 minutes until it turns golden brown color in the low flame. And now set this aside. Now to the plate, add the fried garlic and smash them finely using the fork. Now add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of oregano seasoning and freshly chopped mint leaves. Mix them thoroughly until the mixture looks like this. Now take a bread slice, cut the sides. Here I have used brown bread. Spread the garlic butter mixture on the bread. Now add the mozzarella cheese on top of the bread slice. And drizzle some chili flakes on the top and set it aside. Now to the pan, add half tablespoon of butter and spread it evenly. Now place the bread slice gently onto the pan. And toast this for 2 to 3 minutes. Cover the lid. Now our garlic cheese spread is ready. Cut them into half and plate them. And is now ready to be served. For more such recipes, please follow, share and subscribe. Thank you.